As a family, we love to travel, and this month we returned to a place we first fell in love with in 2020, Crete. We stayed here at Villa Freedom in the north of the island, and I wanted to share our top tips for visiting Crete as a family. Tip number 1, hire a villa. We've done a mix of holidays over the years, from lodges to resorts, and yet villa holidays are perfect for travelling with kids and enjoying a real home away from home. With our own private space, security gates and safety measures in place, the kids were able to enjoy their freedom during their stay, which in turn made the holiday far more relaxing for us as parents. With a swimming pool, a football pitch, snooker table, playground, table tennis, a hot tub, just to name a few of the facilities, it kept the kids entertained throughout our stay and gave us some quality family time together, which is always lovely. Tip number 2, take out post office family travel insurance. Family travel insurance is so important, as we all know, with 4 accident-prone children, and we've been using the post office for this for as long as I can remember. The Premier level cover comes as 5-star de facto rated, plus with the post office travel insurance policy, kids go free, which is always a bonus. Tip number 3, use the post office travel money card. Travel money can often feel stressful, especially when you're spending abroad and worried about keeping your money safe and secure. We found the best way to stay safe is to use the post office travel money card. It's super easy to order in-store or online, and because it's not linked to your bank account, it's super safe and secure for all of your spending. You can load with up to 23 currencies, use it in 36 million locations, monitor all of your transactions via the app, plus you're not paying fees every time you spend on your card abroad either. Tip number 4, get your travel money from the post office to take holiday cash with you. We always pre-order our holiday cash on the post office website and collect it at our local branch, so we know we're getting a great exchange rate and don't have to take it out abroad at a cash point where charges apply. If your holiday gets cancelled once you've purchased your holiday money, the post office even offer a 100% refund guarantee. Having cash comes in handy at the little souvenir shops or the ice cream kiosks, and especially for keeping up with our tradition of buying a fridge magnet at every country we visit. Tip number 5, don't overpack. The biggest lesson we learned this year is do not overpack. We made the mistake of overlooking the fact the villa had washing and drying facilities, which meant that actually we could have managed on our hand luggage alone, and it would have saved us so much time in the long queues at the airport, money on our luggage allowance, and a lot of effort when it came to packing up to go home. As it was, we went home with our suitcases full of clean clothes, and a lesson learned that next time, pack way less.